Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So this is the continuation of the next vlog, the previous vlog. Why? Because that part was different and this part is different. So I had some work actually here. So I just left my parents at Mandagadde. I think you know Mandagadde Pakshidama, which is very well and it's quite famous. So on the way to Mandagadde, while coming back, I just found a hotel called Hotel Sakre Bailu, which is famous for elephant camps. I've not seen any elephants here from past 4-5 years I'm traveling here, but I've not seen the elephants. But there's a new hotel here called Hotel Sakre Bailu. I've ordered for a different dish, that is of if you come to Malenadu dish, what we usually call it as, I've ordered that. So I've ordered for akki roti followed by chicken ghee roast and kadbu, which is really famous Puri fish curry. It's showing you the region, Malnad region's food that will be typically different. Guys, if you've not seen my previous vlogs, do watch it, do enjoy it. Okay, this is the Shimoga series what I am doing right now, guys, and it will be coming late. This videos will be coming late. Guys, check this out. This is akki roti and this are kadbu, and this is chicken ghee roast and followed by Gauri fish fry. So they're looking pretty yummy and I just want to taste them up. So hope you'll enjoy my reactions as of now. The smell is really good. This is akki roti, pretty cold. I'm going with chicken ghee roast. The smell is on a different way. Let's try this with what is this, cashew. With the cashew as well, we have with the cashew, and I'm gonna taste it. I can literally feel the ghee, the cashew, the flavors of all the spices. This is totally good. It's been long. I've not had a good food. Sorry, like home is food. Spicy, garlic, even all kind of dishes I can see. Amazing. This is the fish, Gauri fish. I have to check with the spices of this. I would recommend. Everything is so balanced and organized. Beautiful. Wow. I feel like eating one more roti as well. Mouth watering. I'll show you the hotel overview as well, which I have posted already in Instagram. If I have to say it in Kannada, chindi, garlic, ginger, as well as flavors of all the masalas, all the spices in there. It's going. My taste buds are on fire. So I've started to have kadbu here, and can I know your name, please? Vidyan. It's a nice name. So he's the one. You work here, right?
Yes.
He works here.
As a manager.
Yeah. He works as a manager. If you can come this side, that will be great. He's Vidyan.
Hi.
He works as a manager here. So I'm trying out this dish, especially that is of kadbu, which belongs to Malnad region. This is totally tasty actually. It will be somewhat tasty that you can just express. That will be of a tamarind taste little bit of sour taste, which we basically Karnataka region people will definitely like it. This is a different taste, and this is really mouth watering. This is of different kind. You'll not get this kind of fish curries anywhere in the world. Especially you can get it in Coorg, you can get it in Shimoga kind of region, Malnad region especially, you'll get this kind of foods. I'm just enjoying this. I was so tempted, I brought one more roti. So I'm stomach full now, but then even I can just leave this ghee rice. Look at this. Can you see the grapes, dry grapes, cashews? This is ghee rice. So I've ordered only half. Why? Because I'm already full, so not to waste food. So I've ordered so much. Feeling so good. I tried with the second one because lots of grapes, dry grapes were there. It was hot. The flavor of the ghee, the flavor of the fried onions are to next level. I don't say that next level. It's yummy, and it's not next level, it's out of the world. With that cashew, with that dry grapes, that enhances the flavor, so it feels heaven. It's already closing time for them, but then even they were waiting for me to finish the vlog and to finish the food as well. This definitely belongs to a food review. Guys, look at the ambience of this hotel. So, swinging. So guys, it's getting late and I'm about to leave. So see you in the next vlog. If you have liked this, do give a thumbs up, do give a like to this, and hope you have enjoyed this vlog. So hope you have enjoyed the review of the food as well. See you in the next vlog.